Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how you can delete messages on Facebook Messenger. There used to be options to delete chats for people on both sides, but now you are only able to delete messages for yourself. Unfortunately, the other person will still see the messages. I'll show you how to do this on both the website and the app, starting with the website. On messenger.com, open up the conversation of the message you'd like to remove. Hover your mouse over the message and some options will appear to the right of them. Tap on the button that looks like three dots beside each other. Now select Remove from the pop-up options. Tap Remove again to confirm. Traces of that message will now be removed from your Facebook account. Now let's do it on the app. Open up the conversation of the message you'd like to remove. Find the message you want to remove and hold your finger down on it. This will bring up some options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Remove button from those options. Tap Remove again to confirm. All traces of that message will now be removed from your Facebook account. That draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more messenger tips and tricks.